Welcome back everyone. In lesson 4, we learned about variables and data types in PowerShell. Today we're going to look at operators, the tools that let you compare values, do math, and make decisions in your scripts. In PowerShell, we have four kinds of operators. The first one is arithmetic operators, which is like a calculator. It will do mathematical operations on integers or numeric numbers. Second one is the comparison operators. Basically, it will compare values. In this case, it will compare integer values. And the third one is string operators. So it is unique to, not unique to strings, but it will compare strings. For example, equal or non-equal, etc. And the last one is logical operators, which is basically combined conditions and comparison between them. So let's look at this arithmetic operators. So if you look at this example, basically we are creating one variable called sum and adding two values to each other, and the result is stored in this variable. So we can also carry out subtraction, and multiplication and division. Let me open my terminal, which is PowerShell, and do some example over there. So let's do this division example. So first, let me create one variable called div, and basically divide 18 by 6. Right. So this slash here, it is division operator, and so let me write out this variable by using, if you remember, we have write output commandlet, which can print out the result in our console. So the variable is div, right? If we look at here, we have the result 3. So we did this arithmetic operator on these two numbers. All right, now let's look at this comparison operators. So if you look at the comparison operators, we are basically comparing numbers, right? So in the first case, we have dash eq, which means equal, right? The result will be a Boolean value, which is true or false, right? So we also have dash ne, which equals not equal, and we have dash gt, which equals greater than, and we have dash lt, which is less than, and we also have dash ge, greater or equal, right? So uh, two conditions, two operators combined on this in this expression. Okay, so we have one more, dash le, which is less or equal. So let's take one example here. So let me create one variable called num1. All right. So I will give a number 2 value on it. And let me create one more variable, let me call num2, and which has value 3. So if we do the last one, this example, let's take this example. Okay, so what we're gonna do is num1 dash le and num2. So we are saying num1 less or equal to num2, right? Here num1 is 2 and num2 is 3. So what's the result if you guess? All right, let's press enter. So you guess correct, right? It is true because num2 is less than num1 is less than num2, right? All right, so let me move to the second operators, which is string operators. So in string operators, we only using this non-equal and mm, sorry, equal and non-equal, right? So we can compare strings, right? And also we have wildcard operation, uh, which is dash like, right? We can use power asterisk, so it basically means the first 5 characters same, and the rest of it we don't care, right? We can also do like that. Okay, so let me keep this simple. Right? We also have regex regular expression uh, match. For example, we have test123 string, and we want to match it with one regular expression. Right? So it means like if we have this kind of regular expression, which will match this, right? Okay, so you guys can look up regular expressions by googling it. So here we don't talk much about the regex. Okay, so let's take a simple example. So here we just type what we typed here. Okay, so I'm going to type hello, which is a string, and I'm simply do equal, and this time I will type hello but with lowercase. So what do you think the result will be? Okay, and press enter to see. All right, true. So from here, if you look at it, this comparison is case insensitive. Okay, so it doesn't matter it is uppercase, lowercase, as long as it's same, it will give us a true value. All right, so now let me go to the force operators, which is logical operators. Basically, it is dash n, dash or, and dash not. Okay, dash not. So what it will do is this logical operators basically combine condition. Okay, so here we have two conditions, right? First is we have age. Let's assume we have age variable, which is greater or equal to 18. We will get one Boolean result, which is true, right? And no, we don't know that, right? So here, greater or equal, because we don't know what's the value of age variable. And here we have the same variable, which is less than 65. Okay, so if we, in order to get this true result, let me let me let me assign the value for this age variable. So let's see, I'm gonna put 19. All right, so we have age, and its value is 19. So I already know what the result will be, but I won't explain here. So we have an age variable which has a value 19, right? So it is greater than 18, right? Not equal, but one condition is met, right? So we will get true here, and we will have age same variable which is less than 65, which is true, right? Which is also true, right? So let me press enter. So we got true. Okay, so let's say let me do a little trick here. So here in first expression, we have age greater or equal to 18. Age value is 19, right? If I just simply change this 18 to 17, hold on, let me just do 20. All right, 21 actually. All right, so let me do age. So what's the result will be? Right, it's false. Okay, it's false, right? So because we got true in this expression, but here we got false. So in this logical operator and we have to have same, right? We have to have same result for both combined conditions. So let me do one more example. So if I do right here, right? And let me put G greater than, right? 19 greater than 65, false. Okay. So let me do enter one more time. We also get false right here, right? So, and let me do one more example, which is dash not, right? So this one right here. So this logical operator, what it does is it will get the value of opposite opposite of the value. Okay. So let's assume we have a variable called is ready, right? It has a boolean value of true. Okay. So if you remember from last lesson, we talked about data type in PowerShell, right? So this is boolean, right? Boolean true. So let me press enter. Now if I do this logical operator, which is dash not, and put my variable is ready, so it will give me false, right? Which is opposite value of true.